Hello students, so today I'm going to go over day 1 of our week of April 13th through 17th packet. I'm only going to go over a few things just to help assist you going through these articles. So the first one you're going to analyze, you're just going to read this short little passage. All these underlined sentences and circled sentences are there to help with clues. So number 1, you have to talk about why does the author tell the story from Carla's point of view. So think about why would the author write it from her point of view. Number 2, what clues does the author give to show how Carla felt about riding her new bike? And there's a hint, your clues are underlined up above. And number 3, what message does the author want the reader to understand? So after you read this, just think about what you gathered from that. How does it make you feel? What do you think the lesson was about this? Maybe that she could ride a bike, she couldn't, things like that. So just make sure you read through, circle, highlight anything you need to do to help you solve those. Number 2, fish for Leon. So same exact thing. You're going to read the passage, then complete the questions down here. These do not have anything highlighted or circled, but just like this one back up here, it shows you, so it's an example of how you can do this. So number 1, it wants to know what the main idea of the passage is. So what was this whole entire passage about? And just write it really short right there. Number 2, what kind of character is Leon? How do you know? So what kind of person was he? What kind of character was he? Was he a nice character? Was he a mean character? Was he helpful? Things like that. Try to talk about certain characteristics of how he is. And number 3, what words helped you visualize the tank and the fish? So what words in here helped you in your head see what the tank and the fish looked like? There's certain words sometimes that authors put in there to kind of spice up the words. And I would highlight those. I mean, sometimes the authors can read. You can read a book and you have this whole story playing out in your head. Certain words will make it more dramatic. So try and find those words. Okay, so pronoun verb contractions. Write the contraction on the line, put an apostrophe in the correct place. So I'll do a few with you. I plus am, if you were to put that in a contraction, what would that turn into? I apostrophe am, I'm. These should be pretty simple for you guys. This is just review. So number 2, she plus is. So she apostrophe, do it a little backwards. Apostrophe S. Sorry, I'm writing with my pen and it's a little hard to write on here. Now, I'm going to go down here. Circle the 2 words that complete each sentence correctly. So, I am, we know, turns into I'm. I'm just writing over here because it helps. That way you can see it. And I are, does that turn into a contraction? Are? No. So it's not that one. It'd be I am. I'm at my desk. So it completes the sentence. Now, down here, write 2 sentences. Use I'm in one sentence, use will in the other sentence. So make sure you underline or circle I'm and will. That way we can see it. So the first sentence, I'll help you write the first sentence. So I will type it though, that way it's not super crazy for you. I'm a teacher. Now the next part, you'll put the word wheel in it, but for right now, I'm is the first word. Make sure you do the second sentence. You don't have to copy mine, but you're welcome to. Now for the math, Miss Chavarria has done a video to explain it, and I'm going to post it on here as well.